How to delete your Telegram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually delete your Telegram account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Telegram account, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Telegram application. Now all you have to do is, after you launch the Telegram app, tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then you want to come over to settings. Once you come over to settings, scroll down, then look for the option called Telegram FAQ, which means frequently asked questions. You want to make sure to just tap on the option. As and when you tap on Telegram FAQ, you can see general, you can see Telegram basics, you can see groups and channels, usernames and time, security, secret chats, your account, and under your account you have to look for the option called delete your Telegram account, as you can see here. So look for your account in this black heading, and in this blue heading you'll find delete your Telegram account article. Just tap on delete your Telegram account. Now over here under this it says how do I delete my account. It says if you'd like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So tap on this blue link that says deactivation page here. Once you tap on this blue button, it's just going to take you to this page where you can simply delete account or manage apps. So all you have to do is make sure to enter the phone number of your Telegram account, tap on next option. It's going to remain inactive for a while, then after that your Telegram account is going to be successfully deleted. Now this is the first way to delete it. Just to give you a bonus idea, I also have a second tip for you and you might be interested in this. So for this case I'm just going to come back to Telegram app, then again I'll just go to this option called privacy and security. When I go to privacy and security, if I scroll down here you can see delete my account if away for. So if you're away for 1 month, if you want to delete your Telegram account, you can select 1 month. If you want to delete your Telegram account if you're away from it for 3 months, then you can select 3 months. This is also one of the useful features, because if you don't log in based on the time that you've set inside of this specific time period, your Telegram account is going to self-destruct itself if it's inactive for this number of days. So hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.